Okay, today we are going to do exercise for lung and also heart. It's very important to have a good lung and heart these days, right? So in Eastern medicine, we have 12 meridian channels. They are the energy channel that support major organs in our body. So when you have round back, round shoulders, that blocks this flow of energy. So through this exercise, you can have more energy into your chest and also your lung. So you can have good breathing. So let me show you how to do this exercise. So lift up your arms 90 degrees here and make sure you relax your shoulders. You don't have to go like this, just relax and soft fist. And then swing your arms side to side. So it's like swinging. So you feel stretch here, right? And then stretch here. And when you do, don't move your body like this. It's not this this kind of twisting exercise. It's for your chest. So you want to just move your arms. And next exercise, stretch up and down. So you're stretching the side. So this also releases the tightness between your rib cage. Like that. And put your hands on your shoulders and then move. So again, you are moving all the muscles and tissues around your arms and shoulders, right? And then go the other way, like swimming. Okay, so we are ready, right? So let's start our exercise.